In the Geoprocessing pane, open the Spatial Join tool. Set the target to creeks and the join features to soils. Name the output Creeks Soils Within. Use the Join One-to-One operation. Uncheck the box to keep all target features. In the field map output fields from creeks, delete watershed, shape length, area, and perimeter. In the field map output fields from soils, delete row ID, MUID1, and state. Scroll past the soil attributes and delete the 3 shape fields at the bottom. Set the Match option to Within and run the tool. Keep the tool open.